Morning guys, and welcome to day 30. I am still in Chiang Mai and I've just come to the hideout, which is the best place in Chiang Mai to get breakfast. So I'm going to get myself a bagel. I've met up with a girl from Hong Kong, Louise, and we're going to drive up to the Sticky Waterfall today. So obviously I've filmed that. Sticky Waterfall is pretty cool. It's meant to be kind of a waterfall that you can climb up because the rocks are all really sticky. And you can just climb up it with ease. So we're going to go and do that, take a drive out to the national park where it is. It's about an hour's drive. You'll see the restaurant behind me, the Hideout. It is ranked #1 for breakfast in the whole of Chiang Mai. So fingers crossed it's as good as it looks. So I'll show you breakfast and then I will take you with me to the Sticky Waterfalls. So stay tuned. So guys, just made it up to the Sticky Waterfalls. It was about an hour and 10-minute drive from Chiang Mai. Not quite as nice a drive as the drive last night, but it's still pretty good fun. Just got changed into swimming shorts and now heading towards the Sticky Falls. So as always, I'll film everything that's going on. Louise is just over there with the orange backpack on, and let's go and check out what's going on. Here we are at one of the bases of the waterfall, and as you can see there's people climbing up it. I'm going to put the waterproof camera on, so audio is probably going to go pretty quiet, because last time I was at a waterfall I nose dived in without the waterproof case on. So I'll put the case on and then we'll start climbing up this bit of the waterfall. This is the climb up one of the smaller parts of the waterfall. The waterfall is split into 3 sections which run about 100 metres high. So this is the top section. When you initially step onto the rock, you expect as you would in most waterfalls, you expect the rock to be slippery. But the reason it gets its name is that your feet just instantly stick to the rock. It's limestone and you've got more grip on the wet rock than when it's dry. And there's certain parts that are dry that are slippier than the wet rock. So here we are kind of climbing this initial part of the waterfall, and as I said, it's split into 3 sections, and the bottom section is actually the best. So I've got some footage of us climbing the bottom section, and there's certain points where you've got to use ropes and kind of pull yourself up and things like that. It was epic, I've got to be honest. It was probably the best waterfall I've been to so far in Thailand, purely because, not necessarily because of the way it looks, but purely because of the things you could do and the way you could interact with it. And as you can see, you know, we climbed 100 metres of waterfall with absolute ease, and at no point did I feel did it feel dangerous. So this is the base of the biggest waterfall. We just climbed up from the very bottom and now we're climbing up to the very top. I might not be able to film because it is pretty difficult with only one hand, so bear with me and I'll film what I can. So here we are in the waterfall. Guys, so here we are right at the base of the waterfall, and it's really nice. There's a little pool down here. more time, one more. I was just finished up at the waterfall, and I've got to be honest, that was epic. Definitely the best waterfall I've ever been to. Being able to climb it and your feet just stick instantly to the rock, hence why it's called the sticky waterfall. Now I'm going to drive back to Chiang Mai, about an hour's drive, and then go and have some fun somewhere around there. So stay tuned, let's see what we get up to. Guys, so I'm down at the South Market again. I'm here with Louise, drinking Chang's, and we are going to get some grilled meat. So happy grilled meat day to everyone, because there's the meat grilling on the barbecue over there, and I'm going to enjoy me some grilled meat.
What do you get again?
I don't know. I don't even know what I ordered. Chicken balls, yeah. I ordered chicken balls and they look amazing. Guys, so that's it for day 30. It's been a good day out. Went to Sticky Waterfalls and then ended up just going out drinking with Louise. We got quite drunk and then came up to the rooftop, which is where I am right now. I'm getting eaten alive by a bunny rabbit. That really freaked me out. It was just a bunny rabbit. Yeah, we ended up drinking quite a lot and then coming up to the rooftop and doing some yoga. So I'm a little bit out of breath, but I feel pretty great. Tomorrow is a big day because we're going to the elephant sanctuary, which I'm sure you guys are as hyped about as I am, because it means more elephants and more amazing footage. Hopefully, anyway, that depends how good I am at filming tomorrow. So anyway, that's it for day 30. Stay tuned for day 31. Hopefully it's as epic. And guys, as always, keep watching, keep sharing, and let's keep the journey going. So peace out, and I will see you all again on day 31. Peace.